It's beast mode time, baby. Let's go. What's going on, my YouTube fam? As you guys can see from the title, I just got my hands on a pair of new rims and tires, and it's actually a little bit staggered. We got in the back, we got a wider setup. We got 275, 40, and they're all sitting on a pair of 20-inch rims all around. So, you know, obviously I needed the new tires, and let's see if by any chance it improved my vehicle performance. And let's see if my 0 to 60 time got any faster. All right, let's get the show started.
All black everything. All black Charger. All black rims. All black socks. All black Timbs. Man, you see me coming. You hear that engine running. And I'm beating down your block with my music pumping. All black Charger. All
Alright guys, so we're going to make this really quick. My old 0 to 60 time, 5.66 seconds. Got wider tires, wider rims. Let's see if this works now. Let's see if it actually gets a little better. Here we go. It's ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Yo! 5.33! That's what I'm talking about. What a giant improvement. Wider tires and wider rims in the back. Well, look at the improvement. I went from 0 to 60 in 5.66 to 0 to 60 in 5.33. Huge difference. I'm loving it.